Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 on the Toro 6.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Won't start after winter storage. Alright, well in the last video we cleaned the carburetor and we put it back on. And then in the part 2 we're going to be starting it and showing you guys it works. Alright, let's just put everything away, get it all going. All goddamn set up, there it is. There it is, it's good to go. That's good to go. Let's put this back. Fast. Put that back, put that back. Alright guys, well, I guess let's see if this dang thing starts. I'm gonna put you guys on top of the dang power washer, because it's a good spot to view. You guys are on top of the dang power washer. Let's see if this goddamn thing is goddamn gonna start. Alright, let's do this. Got the customer's fuel that they had in the mower. I'm gonna put it back in the mower to see if their fuel is good. It looks good, just gonna make sure. Always use the dang customer's fuel. All of it in there. About a half a tank. A little less than a half tank. It's still a little bit. It's fine. Alright, let's get to it. I got gas in. I tried the power bowl. It might take a few pulls. Let's see if the shield's start. Oops. Needs a little bit of lube. There it goes. Oh, almost. Just did some mowing with it. Did a great job. Really love Tecumseh, Honda, and don't really love Breaking Stratton, but good enough. Alright, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.